Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Reed, and if you are returning, thank you for checking me out again. So this one is called Turn and Burn, and it is a collab with the PANtastic ladies. Basically, it is to use up your samples, your deluxe samples, your regular samples, just to move them out. So every month I'm only putting 4 in a month because I have a ton of other stuff I want to use it, and I don't want to get inundated with a lot of samples and just using them. So every month I will have 4 items that I will use up. Right now, like these for January, they're the smaller ones, not some of the bigger ones. Deluxe samples always take me longer, but like say if I end up drawing, say, a lipstick one, this will take me almost like a lot to use up, putting it on and stuff like that, because I can't take the sample with me to use at work, because it's open and yeah, it's a hassle. So I have to usually match it up with one of my other bullets. A lot of times the samples, I have full-size versions of it, so I do that. So Jessica and Amanda came out with this. It is all year round, so I am excited about that. It's something where, like I said, I can use these up, get them out of my collection, and also know if I like it and if I want the full size or not. I am on a low buy this year, and the low buy, basically, Paula from a beauty guru made me buy it. She came up with this, and where full size, you have to use up full size items to be able to purchase one item. So using up the samples and stuff like that, that gives me an idea if it's something I want to buy, put it on my list to buy. The catch also that her low buy, and I'm also implementing this low buy, is if I receive it in PR or as a gift, it also counts. So I can't work around it, say for my birthday, for anything like that. It is all or nothing. So I have to use up so much before something can come into my collection. I have to keep my numbers, so the numbers will go down no matter what. I have a bunch of samples. I get samples in. I go, so let's just get started. So for one of my first ones is the Air Repair Eye Cream. I have an eye cream I like, but I want to give this one a whirl. Hello, come focus, come back. Okay, there you are. So that is a definite. Another one is, a lot of people have told me about, they really liked the Aqua di Gio. So I have a sample of Aqua di Gio. So I do want to try that. It's kind of funny. I tried J'adore, which is alright, but it didn't rock my world. And I tried Chanel No. 5. Love them. Classic scents. Not my jive. One of my favorites is, right now, this year's favorite, or my perfume, is Glam Jasmine by Michael Kors. It's one of my favorites, and also Flower Bomb. I really enjoyed Flower Bomb this year. So those are two of my really, I guess I'm kind of in the floral kick right now. My standalone, 15 years in the making, since before it came out, I got it before it even came out, was Hypnos by Lancome, and that's one of my musts. So off on a tangent, sorry, but let's get back to this Turn and Burn. Another one is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I have used a couple of these. It's nice. I like it. I love that I've got this sample, but I also found out that my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base is a really good dupe for this, without the price. Then the other ones is and this will be interesting because I think this is more for blonde hair, or color treated. I don't have color treated hair, but it is a shampoo and conditioner samples of OGX, the Orchid Oil, Fade Defying. My hair doesn't, I don't color my hair. I wear my white streaks proudly. You can't see it really well in the video, but I have white hair in my hair. One day, I mean, there's days I've been coloring. I did put green in my hair for the Christmas. It was a temporary, it literally washed out quickly. So, anyway, these are the 4 that are for January. I have complete faith that I will have these used up in January. I am excited about this pan project with the PANtastic ladies. If you have samples and you want to use them up and kind of stay focused on them, this is a really good project to make you feel like it. So if I'm doing 4 a month, that's 48 samples, deluxe samples, and samples I'm using in a year. So that's a good. I have other ones that I'm probably using in other projects and stuff, but this one, its focus is to turn and burn and get this out of. It's taking up space. Get it out before it goes bad. You know, if you get them in your Ipsy boxes, your Birch boxes, if you go to Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, Belk's, you know, department stores, and even like I'm a huge Walgreens person. Walgreens, it's about time for them to do their sample bags, and so they'll have a huge where you get like 30 samples in a bag because you spent $20 in their beauty department. And so their new skincare, their new hair care, whatever, you know, the vendors, you know, really want them to promote or show and for you to try. I mean, I got hooked on La Roche-Posay and Vichy that way, trying them through samples and stuff, and really fell in love with them. Perfume samples, Vera Wang, such. So, everybody have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you have any comments, please comment below, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye.